Hello, people, and today I would like to try to cover up this specific issue. I'm trying to fix up myself with explaining of some tips I've used uh, specifically on how to discern, how to find out and discern the wiring's coloring. That is, I found myself a little bit perplexed, a little bit confused once I stumbled upon such readings on a Kawasaki related forum. They said here black, yellow, and here the gentleman here he said red, blue wire for the red, which is the live connection, live wire. So I started my research in order to get this product installed. This product, I don't want. They don't. They do not pay me for making any ad. So I'm just explaining my own experience. And this is the battery gouge. And this battery gouge, no name. Forget the box I showed before. So this battery, it has two wires. One of which is black. A second one is red. I've already made installation on them, and I've installed the Posi-Tap connector, which allows me to skip on soldering. That is the good, actually, the good tip to save your time and make this connection reliable. Well, first comes first. One rainy day, one of much of such that hit the Southern California this winter season. As probably you know, we experience a lot of precipitations, and we experience even a snow and falls, showers. So I found my Kawasaki 900 Vulcan LT, which already made 4500. Um, Technically a very reliable machine, but in fact, from my own experience, I found it's prone for the humidity, and it caused the motorcycle had refused to start once I needed it. So I'm afraid to think about what's happened once I take the motorcycle someplace outside, on the outside, which is very uh, inconvenient and even dangerous. So I decided to track down the battery health so far. And for this, I decided to install this battery gauge from Kuryakyn, like I said. So, I made my own research based upon the shop manual I have here, and as for the such, I made a lot of bookmarks already, and besides the everything, I also found the coverage for the electrical socket that is placed in the front lamp bucket. And this bucket I'm about to disassemble today as a part of this video. So I found out which wirings corresponds to what wirings I'm going to use on the gauge. And as well, I've decided to as a part of mechanical works on the motorcycle, because it's not easy to reach on for the screw on the front bucket. It placed on the sides. So I devised something neat like this, and because this is the smallest diameter I have, I just decided to revert the sizes to attach it to to the connector. I made it typically otherwise. I placed another socket instead of square socket, I've used the honeycomb one, and you know, for all it works, it works for me, which approves the flexibility and the compatibility of such. And I also use this simple, very simple screw driver tip, which I'm going to use with the exact screw on my front lamp on the Kawasaki. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for an update with the field workshop right behind.